Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Tricky is preparing a dry fruits and nuts burfi. It's a delicious and quick sweet made from figs, dates, sultanas, cashew nuts, almonds and walnuts. It does not have any added sugar and thus is the perfect sweet for any festive occasion. It also makes a healthy snack for the kids. So let's not delay and get straight to the ingredients. Note, all ingredients using cups and measuring spoons are leveled and not heaped. Method: grind the dates, figs and sultanas together into a fine mixture. Fry the chopped almonds, cashew nuts and walnuts in a teaspoon of ghee. Take care not to burn it. Then remove and set aside. Add a teaspoon of ghee in a wok. Then drop in the ground dry fruits mixture which we ground earlier using chopped dates, figs and sultanas. Fry well until all the water evaporates. Add in the ghee, cardamom powder, nutmeg and the roasted nuts. Mix until well combined. When the mixture looks dry, it is ready to be set. The alternate option is, this step can also be set in a greased tray without the need for cling film. So transfer the mixture into a tray lined with cling film, press down, cover with cling film and level the top. Refrigerate for 2 hours or until set. When set, remove from the refrigerator. Cut into squares or desired shapes. That's it. It was really a short and sweet recipe, a delicious and quick sweet. Thank you for stopping by. Do give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe if you have not yet to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.